So the next part and step of our shrimp ceviche that we're going with, so it's just a matter of decision whether or not you want to go with our simple white wine broth or our classic salsa ceviche. The next step that we're going to take in this, and we're going to make it super quick, is that we're going to just take just a little bit, almost to the point where you just want to smear it. So we're going to smear it on like that, right? Just do both sides of our crostinis. Super easy, super simple. Now from here, we're going to grab some aluminum foil, pop these guys in the oven, let them toast up for a few minutes, and we should be good to go.